Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine at home. Is it? Okay. So, kindly take your workbook, page number 8. Today we will do the next lesson. Workbook, next lesson is an interesting and it's a comprehension. There is nothing about Tom Sawyer's gang here, but it's the part of it, the grammar part of it or comprehension. So we will read the passage. After that, we'll do the exercises. Many of you might have completed, but just to see once again, you can go through. Okay, and so here we read. It's a passage, a small story about Bandy. Bandy the monkey. Bandy the monkey lives in a neem tree at Banana Park in Pipli. Pipli is a place. Banana Park also is a place, park, name of the park. And Bandy is the name of the monkey we are speaking about. He works for the peanut telephone company. Bandy does not go to school. He works for the peanut telephone company. He is the best employee they have because he can climb the telephone poles twice as fast as everyone else. He can go fast on top of the poles and work, connect the wires and all that. On Saturday, Bandy bowls for the Banana Park cricket team. They are a very good team, sometimes playing at the state level. Bandy has become extremely famous for what he calls his Bandar ball. What is that? Bandar ball. Nice name. The Bandar ball is thrown diagonally up, swings the ball. The ball then comes straight down and travels directly to the batsman at a speed of over 100 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of his bowling? 100 kilometers per hour. On Thursday night, Bandy takes painting lessons. He takes painting lessons with Muhammad Hussain. He is a famous oil painter who lives in the same town as Bandy. Bandy also lives in that same town. This famous Muhammad Hussain lives also. Bandy is one of the only artists in the area that paints with his tail. This is the uniqueness of Bandy. He does not use the brush. He uses his tail to paint. Is it not interesting? Yes. You might have heard many of such stories, but it is one kind. Is it? It's very easy to understand, and there are a lot of questions over there. Okay, so comprehensions. This is how the comprehension is what you call sometimes unseen passage. Is it? Yes. So same thing. So let us do the question answer now. Write the correct options that are given. In which town does Bandy live? Which town? Yes, Pipli. Where does Bandy work? Which company? And what work he does? He goes up the telephone line. So, telephone company. Number C. Number 3. Which team does Bandy play for? Which team? Is it for Bandar team? Peanut team? No. It is number B. The Banana Park cricket team. The Banana Park cricket team. Where can you find Bandy on Thursday nights? In the cricket field? No. Telephone poles? No. Fishing at the lake? No. It's painting class. See, he does painting also. Complete the sentences. Bandy is the best employee because why? He is very fast to climb up the poles. Did you get the last line of the first paragraph? Okay, that is the answer. Number B. Bandy has become extremely famous for what? Why is famous? Is he famous for the painting or playing? He's playing. Yes, he plays. He bowls. He's a bowler in a cricket team. Which cricket team? Banana. Yes. Okay. Number 3. Muhammad Hussain is a dash. What is that? What is it? Muhammad Hussain is a cricket captain. No, is a Muhammad Hussain paints lessons with yes, he is his classmate. Muhammad Hussain he goes for the painting class at night, so he's classmate. Number 4. Bandy is one of the only artists. Why? Artist who paints with his tail. Only artist. So that's why he is famous also. Yes. Next one. Next interesting question is the vocabulary. You should know the vocabulary. Okay? Vocabulary. Number 1, for example, what is the vocabulary? Drop E. There is a main word is bear. B-A-R-E. Okay, and you drop, it becomes bar. Okay, ice cream bar. Okay, ice cream bar, Coca-Cola bar. Okay, next, add in that L. B-L-A-R-E. Blair. It's Blair. It's not very clear. Okay, Blair. See the dictionary and find out the meaning. What I am telling is whether it is right. Okay. So next one is a tray. Is the root word. Just you add B before R. Drop T. Is a bray. Who brays? Who brays? Dog. No. No. Who brays? Donkey. Ray. Ray. What rays? Sun rays. Light ray. Yes. Rank. Rank, you know what is rank. First rank, second rank, third rank you come. Okay. Rank. If you add C, it becomes crank. Crank. Something to lip. Then ran. Crank. Ran. Remove that K and drop K, it becomes ran. Past tense of run. Yes. Harm. Harm. It is not harmful or unharm. All those things you can do it, but just see the rule. You just drop H. It becomes arm. What is that? Arm. Where is your arm? Show me your arm. Yes. Next, if you add instead of H, you add F. It becomes farm. Farm. These are easy words to remember. Slum. What is this slum? Slum means where the poor people live, temporary living. The slum area. Each town has got a slum area. These people, the poor people, they work in the houses and in the towns. Slum. If you add instead of P, now S, you add P, then it becomes plum. Plum. What is this plum? Have you seen plum? Plum of peacock. Yes. Plum. Next, if you drop L, it becomes sum. What sum? Yes, mathematical sum. Yes. Cream. Ice cream. You scream. Okay. Scream. Scream. Cream. Scream. Stream. Can do it. Stare. Star. Remove, drop E, it becomes star. and if you drop A and put O, then it becomes store, and many other things you can make with this root word. Complete this, number B, complete these words with the help of the clue given. You may also use the dictionary. Not present. What is it? Absent. Absent. Helpful. Beneficial. What is that? Beneficial. Payment. Payment. What is this? Compensation. Compensation. Compensate instead of just compensation. Somebody was harmed. He was his property was destroyed. So compensation was given. Some to in place of, in lieu of. Next, easily broken. Easily broken. What is that? Fragile. Very weak, tender. Fragile, which can be broken easily. Fragile. Next, number 6, promise. Promise. What is that? Guarantee. Guarantee. Promise that surely you will do it. Guarantee. You doing, making promise to somebody. Mother promised this. You guarantee that. Okay, that is the meaning. Guarantee. Now, this should be your homework. This is very nice. Rearrange these words to make a meaningful sentences. All these are grammar part. I am doing that. So, always the feeds my ever dog brother. Always and ever is the same. My ever loving brother. My ever brother. My ever brother always feeds my dog, feeds dogs. You can write it. My ever brother, or my brother always feeds the dog. You can leave out, if you leave ever, then my brother always feeds the dog. Now, if you add my ever brother, that means sometimes you are brother and ever. We are brothers are always forever. Okay, that's the meaning. Number 2, sister ironing sometimes does. My sister sometimes does ironing. Okay, I never do calculation. So I never do calculation. I never do the calculation. I never do the calculation. Easy. Number 4, a go with often walk dog for we hour. We yes, we go for walk. When do we go? We often go. We often go for a walk with our dog. With our dog. Next, room Sundays. Usually I tidy my on. I tidy my rooms or room on Sundays. Simple as that. In the sometimes afternoon study I study in the afternoon sometimes. Sometimes I study afternoon. Okay. Next, never the she cooking does. She never does cooking. She never does cooking. All these are, what is the rule? Hope you know that in your language class. SVO. Always arrange your sentences SVO. What is this SVO? S stands for subject, and V stands for verb, and O stands for object. Subject, verb, object. If you arrange this, never you will make mistake. Is that you should understand what comes next. So subject, you try to put the subject in the beginning. Okay, that is the common rule. Now, if you want to put the subject somewhere in the middle or at the end, you are most welcome. But what is the rule? Subject plus verb plus object. A meaningful sentence. Okay, please do all this. These are part of grammar. This is very tricky sometimes, but if you know the rule, you'll never make mistake. Okay. Number 8. After on my eye sister look weakened sometimes younger. It's very easy. I sometimes look after my younger sister. Yes. Sometimes I look after my younger sister. Here, for examples, according to the subject and verb, this is the common rule. But here, sometimes. Sometimes is what? Is a adverb of time. So I is the subject here. I look after my younger sister. My younger sister. So when do you look after? Sometimes, not always. So this is how you can do this. So this is how we learn language, and we speak well, write well. Okay. So learn well. Stay at home.